Alright, imagine this. You're checking your Tangerine account, maybe you're waiting on a payment, or just balancing your books, and bam. You see a mysterious charge, an NSF fee. What's that? Did you accidentally order something from the National Science Foundation? Did you somehow incur a penalty for not having enough oranges in your virtual basket? No, probably not. But you're left scratching your head, wondering where this fee came from and, more importantly, how to avoid it in the future. We've all been there, that moment of financial confusion when a seemingly random charge pops up. It's frustrating, especially when it involves your hard-earned money. Today, we're diving deep into the world of NSF fees at Tangerine, demystifying this common banking charge, and giving you the tools to understand and manage your finances better. Now, before we jump into the specifics of Tangerine, let's understand the basic concept of an NSF fee. NSF stands for non-sufficient funds. In simple terms, it means you tried to make a payment, but there wasn't enough money in your account to cover it. Think of it like trying to buy a coffee with a debit card when your account is empty. The transaction gets declined, and the bank might charge you a fee for the inconvenience. This can happen in a few different ways. Checks, you write a check, but when it's presented for payment, your account balance is too low. Pre-authorized payments, you set up automatic payments for bills or subscriptions, but the money isn't there when the payment is due. Debit card transactions, you try to use your debit card for a purchase, and the transaction is declined due to insufficient funds. Electronic fund transfers, EFTs, similar to pre-authorized payments, EFTs can bounce if you don't have enough money. Now, let's focus on Tangerine. Tangerine, being a direct bank, operates a little differently than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. They aim to be transparent and provide straightforward banking services. However, NSF fees are standard practice across the financial industry, and Tangerine is no exception. So, what are the specifics of Tangerine's NSF fees? First, it's important to understand that Tangerine, like many banks, has a fee schedule. You can find this information on their website or in their account agreements. This schedule outlines the various fees associated with their banking services, including NSF fees. When it comes to NSF fees, Tangerine typically charges a fee when a payment is returned due to insufficient funds. This fee is designed to cover the administrative costs associated with processing the returned payment. The exact amount of the fee can vary, so it's crucial to check Tangerine's current fee schedule for the most up-to-date information. Why do banks charge NSF fees? Well, there are a few reasons. Covering administrative costs, processing return payments requires time and resources. Banks need to handle the paperwork, update their systems, and communicate with the payee. Discouraging overdrafts, NSF fees act as a deterrent, encouraging customers to manage their accounts responsibly and avoid overspending. Risk management, banks need to manage the risk associated with processing payments, and NSF fees help mitigate potential losses. Now, let's talk about how to avoid NSF fees at Tangerine. Here are some practical tips. Monitor your account balance. Regularly check your account balance to ensure you have enough funds to cover upcoming payments. Tangerine's mobile app and online banking platform make it easy to track your spending and account activity. Set up alerts. Tangerine offers account alerts that can notify you when your balance falls below a certain threshold. This can give you a heads up before you overdraw your account. Use overdraft protection. If available, some banks offer overdraft protection, which can cover transactions even if you don't have enough money in your account. However, this service may come with its own fees, so it's important to understand the terms and conditions. Tangerine has lines of credit and overdraft options, so it is worthwhile to investigate if these are suitable for your needs. Plan your payments. Keep track of your upcoming bills and payments. Schedule them in advance to ensure you have enough money in your account. Use Tangerine scheduling tools to make this easy. Review your pre-authorized payments. Regularly review your pre-authorized payments to ensure they are still accurate and necessary. Cancel any unnecessary payments to free up funds in your account. Maintain a buffer. Try to keep a buffer of funds in your account to cover unexpected expenses or fluctuations in your income. This can help prevent you from overdrawing your account. Contact Tangerine directly. If you're unsure about a specific transaction or fee, don't hesitate to contact Tangerine's customer service. They can provide clarification and assistance. Another important aspect to remember is the difference between an NSF fee and an overdraft fee. While both are related to insufficient funds, they are not the same. NSF fee, this is charged when a payment is returned due to insufficient funds. The transaction is declined, and the payee doesn't receive the payment. Overdraft fee, this is charged when a transaction is processed even though there are insufficient funds in the account. The bank covers the shortfall, but you are charged a fee for this service. Tangerine, as a direct bank, emphasizes online accessibility and transparency. Their website and mobile app provide detailed information about their fees and services. If you have any questions or concerns, their customer support team is available to assist you. One of the key advantages of Tangerine is its focus on simplicity and affordability. They aim to provide banking services with minimal fees, but NSF fees are a necessary part of managing financial transactions. By understanding the specifics of Tangerine's NSF fees and implementing the tips we've discussed, you can take control of your finances and avoid these charges. Remember, proactive account management is key to preventing NSF fees. It is also important to remember that changes in banking policy happen. Ensure you are reading your emails from Tangerine and checking the website for the most up-to-date fee schedules. Banking is a constantly evolving landscape, and remaining informed is key. In conclusion, an NSF fee at Tangerine is a charge incurred when a payment is returned due to insufficient funds. It's a common banking practice designed to cover administrative costs and discourage overdrafts. By monitoring your account balance, setting up alerts, and planning your payments, you can avoid these fees and maintain a healthy financial standing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.